What they said was wrong with the window online is exactly what was wrong with the window. This rod is the track that the rear quarter window rides up, and it's got this pin that goes to the bottom, and it breaks right there at the pin where that plastic. To replace these old factory ones, you go to late model restoration. You get these. They're made out of aluminum. They're already drilled for you. I guess you could make your own, but for the price they charge, it's really I don't think it's worth doing the machine work yourself. Goes up and down correctly. Everything's reassembled as far as the motor. It's a brand new motor. And while we were working on that, replaced the weather stripping. So this is new weather stripping, and this piece is new right here. This is a little rubber end. This piece is new. This is where it has a was all rotten before, and this piece is new. So it will be like it's supposed to be. And at the same time, I did that. I aligned this so it was a lot straighter with each other. So that works pretty good, and cleaned up in here. Clean that up nice. So now we're going to go ahead and do the other side. And you can see this is cracked. That's just no good. And it's just all messed up. So while I'm, look at that, it just broke into nothing. So while we're doing that, I'm going to replace this guy right here because it is not looking that great, and I need to drill him out to get this piece out, and this is missing a lot. I don't know if you can tell, but that is, I'll put my hand behind there, that is just falling apart. So I'm going to replace that. Thing cleaned up beautiful, and I mean that looks like brand new. I don't see any line where the old weather stripping was or anything. So I got my new piece. I'm going to preset the rivets in all the holes, and I'm gonna try to put it on, rivet it on there. All right. There she is. Or look how nice this looks. Nice new rubber around here. Everything looks good. Little slits good. This is all brand new. This is all brand new. I'm really happy with it. Alright, let's watch the window and see how it works. Nice. Beautiful. New rubber looking good. Nice and tight up against the glass all the way down. It's exactly what we want. I'd say these quarter windows are done.